പൊന്നളക്കും പൗർണമിരാവായി പടിഞ്ഞാറെ പൂപ്പാടം അഴകിൻ പാൽക്കടലായി കൊളുത്തും കാവളം കിളിയേ കൈവളകാതില ചാത്തിയില്ലേ കോടിയുടുത്തിയിലേ കാവിനുള്ളിൽ വിളക്കു കൊളുത്തും കാവളം കിളിയേ കൈവളകാതില ചാത്തിയില്ലേ കോടിയുടുത്തിയിലേ പൊന്നളക്കും പൗർണമിരാവായി പടിഞ്ഞാറെ പൂപ്പാടം അഴകിൻ പാൽക്കടലായി പൊന്നാറ്റടി കെട്ടീരേ പറനിറയെ പൊന്നളക്കും പൗർണമിരാവായി പടിഞ്ഞാറെ പൂപ്പാടം അഴകിൻ പാൽക്കടലായി
To one and all. This is my proud privilege to present the school annual report for the academic year 2013 and 14. I would like to give a brief introduction for our prospective parents. Ravindra Bharati School is the brainchild of Mr. M. Subramaniam, popularly called Mr. Mani, who drew inspiration from the poet laureate Rabindranath Tagore's vision and made it a reality. The first Ravindra Bharati School at Nellore was established in the year 1994 with an intention to provide comprehensive education for overall development. The results were very encouraging, and from then on, there has been no looking back. Today there are about 126 regular schools, 25 IIT Olympiad schools, and 11 residential schools in Andhra Pradesh. Last academic year, Ravindra Bharati launched the global schools affiliated by the CBSE at Bengaluru and Chennai. This academic year, one more CBSE school has been launched at Chennai. 3 more are being planned for the academic year 2014 and 15. Our beloved chairman sir has left no stone unturned. As a proof of our experience and expertise stands our Ithaca Early Learning Center, our international preschool at Jubilee Hills, the happening place at Hyderabad. Also our prestigious Ithaca International School at Golagampudi, Nellore district, a 7-acre campus with state-of-the-art facilities has been set up. It is affiliated by Cambridge University of Examinations and British Council. We do not educate, we improve educability is the motto we follow at RBS. Our teachers are guides and facilitators. They lead by example to create leaders of tomorrow. At the kindergarten level, the foundation is laid for a happy and successful school experience in a stimulating and accepting environment. Our methodology is concept-based, activity-based, and skill-based. Regular assessments are done and the child's progress is recorded. For this academic year, for pre-primary children, we have conducted crawling race, lemon and spoon race, musical chairs, clay molding, painting, memory game, etc. Activities such as Grapes Day, Toys Day, Papaya Day conducted. To get the exposure among the children, we have taken them to church and park as a part of field trips. We also conduct month theme with different topics such as means of transport, seasons, birds and insects, safety measures, etc. Our students from 1st to 5th standard were all the more excited to participate in creative contests like origami, creative writing, greeting card preparation, fancy dress, spell bee, storytelling, calligraphy, and essay writing were conducted, focusing on various aspects of the English language and teamwork. At the high school level, the school takes intensive care, especially on 10th standard students, which meticulously prepared curriculum which makes the students very confident while appearing the board exams. The schedule is very well planned and executed if it will be monitored with a keen eye. Once the teaching syllabus is completed, the students will be bifurcated into different batches as per their capability and will be provided with an inspiring and encouraging mentor. Below will take an extraordinary care of every individual student and makes the dreams of the students and parents come true. The child's improvement will be measured and compared time to time, and a detailed report of the same will be submitted to the parent, and then interactive session will be held for the parents where the suggestions are welcomed. The preparatory material, question papers, objective worksheets, etc. are well designed by the experienced research and development. The R&D wing from the corporate office Hyderabad. It's a known fact that the subject English is the deciding factor that makes a student excel in the examinations and secure a good grade points. Hence, special care is taken to make the students strong and confident with vocabulary, grammar, etc. with our unique practice tests in English that are conducted every day. All our efforts at present are yielding us good results, and we expect the same to be happen in the forthcoming board exams too. I am proud to state that students of Ravindra Bharati are on the forefront both in academics and co-curricular activities as they are nurtured in a stress-free environment. Though there is a serious teaching learning that take place 5 days a week, they eagerly await the Saturday, which is fun day. They were trained in areas of their interest by dance, etc. A taste of which you are soon going to experience in our cultural program that will follow shortly. The academic year, the school ventured into a lot of innovative programs to give students enough exposure and boost their confidence levels. We held many contests such as newspaper college, elocution, dictionary reading, quiz, best out of waste, design your own flag, rangoli, chatpat snack, painting, and write autobiography contest in which the students participated very actively. Ravindra Bharati School implemented CC methods, continuous comprehensive evaluation of teaching and evaluating to develop the analytical and application skills among the students. CC is based mainly on student-centric and activity-based learning. All-round development of the students is aimed at. Students are being involved in project work, group discussions, seminars, group activities to improve their confidence levels and acquire social learning. The competencies under different subjects include conceptual understanding, logical thinking, improvement in listening and speaking, reading, writing, creativity activities, statistical data information, experimental skills, mapping, and diagram skills. Our teachers have been trained in workshops which have been conducted in June, October, and December regarding the new trends in education system and CC method of teaching and evaluation. We have unique program for slow learners as a part of remedial learning wherein the students are bridged with the gaps. Subject teachers have been handling the slow learners with a lot of individual attention and the results are fruitful. Students showed lot of improvement which we have been sharing with the parents from time to time. There is also something happening at RBS, something that every child looks forward to each day. Beginning with the day's assembly, which is an opportunity to discuss the events around the world and share thoughts and ideas, every day at school gives a scope for new learning. We keep up the secular spirit of the country through celebrations of various festivals, religions, and national. Era of patriotism spreads among the students during the celebration of national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, etc., Children's Day, Krishnastami, Diwali, Ramjan, Christmas, New Year celebrations, Pongal have been celebrated at school with joy and gaiety. I will be at fault if I forget to mention that parents are partners in the teaching learning process. We meet them during the interactive sessions and open meets to complement the learning experience at home also. Week-long celebrations is a unique concept of Ravindra Bharati School. It is very important for the students to know about different aspects being a part of society. No doubt, the books, the curriculum, etc. will provide ample knowledge to the students. But students of present generation are expected to be proved with knowledge of every minute element under the sun. In such situations, the knowledge gained through the books seems incomplete. To fill up this gap, RBS designed a wonderful program called Week-Long Celebrations for its high school students. This year, week-long celebrations are Cultural Heritage, Save Our Earth Eco-Friendly Week, Community Service Week, Health Week, Math Week have been organized. NASA, National Aeronautic and Space Administration. Ravindra Bharati proved themselves in entire South India that they are the pioneers to NASA. RBS journey to NASA started from the year 2009. Since then, they have been achieving NASA awards every year. In the year 2009, our children had been to Florida, US with a project called Orbit Lane and won international third prize. This picture depicts that our children explaining NASA projects to the directors of NASA. Chief Minister of AP, late Sri Y.S. Rajashekar Reddy, congratulating the chairman and children of RBS on their international achievement. In the year 2010, our Children's Space Shuttle Colony, our RBS Waste Kids has won first prize for SCEAM project, second prize for Geotonic project, and honorary prize for E-Renatus conducted by NASA in Chicago at USA last year under the title Space Settlement Colony. Our WizKids proved that life can be survived on space also if any disaster takes place on the earth. Dr. Daggupati Purandeshwari, Dadan Minister of State Human Resource Development, congratulated our NASA awardees. Our NASA awardees were also complimented by the ex-Chief Minister of AP, Sri K. Rosaiya at Hyderabad. In the year 2011, this picture depicts our students of RBS bagging first prize at Alabama, USA. Ex-Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Kiran Kumar Reddy, complimented our chairman sir and the children for their fabulous performance in NASA. Our children with one of the NASA directors. In the year 2012, our children explaining Talk 4124. CM keenly observing the explanation part of NASA awardees. Our chairman sir with CM of Andhra Pradesh. This picture depicts Mr. Narsimham, Governor of Andhra Pradesh, listening to the project, explaining by our NASA awardees at Raj Bhavan, Hyderabad. Our NASA awardees with chairman sir. This picture depicts the year 2013. NASA awardees had an interactive session with Mr. Buzz Aldrin, the second person on the moon. I am proud to say that Ravindra Bharatites were blessed to have an interactive session with the then Minister of India, also renowned as Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He congratulated and praised the chairman of RBS for congratulating the students to our International Expo. Thank you.